Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. In example 2, we're revolving along the x-axis, still using cylindrical shells, and what's important here is the actual setup. So this is the setup that we're actually looking at. We're integrating from c to d, and your functions are expressed as y's. So for this one, we would actually just say that the volume, it's going to be evaluated by the integral from 0 to 2. That's the maximum value. And we're looking at 2 pi, it'll be y. And our function, since they have to be expressed as y's, you're going to have y squared is equal to x minus 2, or y squared plus 2 is equal to x. So it's going to be 2 pi y. The height of the shell in terms of the y's, it's going to be y squared plus 2. And this will be dy. So this happens to be our bounded region that we're going to be, well, integrating. So let me rewrite it. This particular one, we're just going to get, and let me extract the 2 pi. So this will be 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 of y times y squared plus 2 dy. And let me distribute the actual y's. So we're looking at this one being 2 pi integral from 0 to 2 of y to the third plus 2y, and technically dy. So let's evaluate the integral. And this one's going to be, well, 2 pi times a y to the 4 over 4 plus a 2y squared over 2 evaluated from 0 to 2, which is equivalent to 2 pi times y to the 4 over 4 plus y squared evaluated from 0 to 2, since the 2's cancel. So this is equivalent to 2 pi times, well, 2 to the 4 over 4 plus 2 to the second, and then technically minus 0, which is going to cancel out as we evaluate the 0 to the 4th over 4 plus 0 squared. So we're going to get 16 divided by 4. I'm getting 4 plus 4, or 16 pi. So the total volume is equal to 16 pi. And this will just be units to the third power. Okay, that's it for this one. And as I said before, you just have to adjust the formulas that this is technically the shell method. You're revolving along the x-axis. So for the shell method, the x-axis represents that we're going to be using the functions, but your functions are in terms of the y's.